Okay, so today I will introduce you about the theater. Well, all of you are the new staff. So the first, this is the first month you working today, and so I will introduce you about some refurbishment in the theater, and also next to them I will have you meeting other staffs. So first of all, the theater is refurbished and is carried out very significantly. This is very mainly. Well, the first one is the internal painting when it's carried out, and we will start the exterior clearly. Second, the elevator is being postponed, so please try the upstairs and downstairs because mm, instead of using the elevators. Next one, the seat is closed. The seat is being closed if the refurbishment is carried out. So we are going to replace with large seats but less, so we can create some opportunities to move to there. And not only that, we also make some storerooms and change and swap the role them to the meetings. I suppose that next to them, there are two facilities that theater currently offer to the publics. The first one is the theater is organized backstage tours for the customers and for the audience to show around and learn to the operations of the theater. And well, it's very popular and carry out. The second one is if you many of the audience want to have the lunch at cafe at theater, so we are looking for the possibilities of feasibilities of having cafes. And move to the next one, we have the bookshops where many of the kind of stories is being told there. For example, the dramas, well, it attracts plenty of customers today, and you can go to there any way when you go to there, and there's room for heights. But we are tend to go to the next month, and so the high for the customer, and we want to tell them in the future. Well, about the workshops that Theatre Create offers, the first one is we start programs to have the audience to join around the crowd, but the right bills but we are waiting to be have the power people that suitable to train. Move to the lightings, it is being success and operates. So you you properly go to them. And the sound is going to the next month, and people are trying to have the idea of makeup, so we are considered to build them the features. And the making puppets is a hobby of a female that very popular and runs very every month, so you can move to them. Next, if we go quickly look at the layout of the floor of the Pound Preacher, we can see the ground floor of the Pound Theater is blur the vision of any audience. So, next, the post office is on the ground floor is way in the parts where have the separate entrance that's very easy to access to there. And next one, the theater manager's office, well, you can see that in the plan. Well, if you are in the foyer, go through the double doors, turn right, and go to the end of the corridor. It is the room that it is the left hand. Move to the lighting box. It is on the behind the ground floor, and it is where the computer stage is operate. Well, if you go to the double doors, turn left and turn right, and at the end you turn right at the end, and the lighting box is on the room of the second on the right hand. And the and finally, the aesthetic directors. Well, you can see that it is next to the fires. It is the fire next to them. When you go to the double doors, turn right, and it's the first right. Well, it is actually in the fires, and you can see there's a window, and then you can go to there. Okay, so next to is the relaxation.